Hi, everybody. This is Jamie with Everything Airplanes, and I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. The other night, my wife and I went out and took some pictures of the decorations for Christmas that are around our town, and it's nice to know that after all the stuff that people have dealt with during 2020 with COVID and all the things that we've had to contest with, that people are still willing to light up their houses with the lights and celebrate Christmas. And Christmas has always been a time of year for me to exhibit hope for the fall or for the next year. And it's great to see people taking advantage of this time to share their joy and to light up their houses and their Christmas trees with the lights that bring so many of us happiness during the holiday season. But for me, Christmas is more than just lights and Santa Claus. It's an opportunity for me to remember the precious gift that God provided the world in His Son, Jesus Christ. This is Jamie with Everything Airplanes, wishing everyone a very merry and blessed Christmas.